What if I show you how to make $200 and above online with just your smartphone? If you're looking for how to make money online using your smartphone, then this video is for you. I will give you this information for free on how I make $200 and above every 2 weeks as a Nigerian living in Nigeria, okay? So make sure you watch this video to the very end. If you're not in Nigeria, you can still watch the video because it's not limited to Nigerians only. It is for everybody. As far as you have your smartphone, you can still make money using the same method. So sit tight and watch this video to the end, as I will give you all the information that you need to know about this particular program. If you're in Nigeria, you should know by now that $200 and above every 2 weeks is something to add to your side income. You don't need to take chances. This is another opportunity for you to make money and add it to your side hustle. So this is the screenshot of my own payment, how I make $200 and above online. I make $200 and above on Twitter every 2 weeks by just making tweets. We call it X app now, okay, but it's still the same thing. So every 2 weeks I receive a portion of their ads revenue, $200 and above. Sometimes I take more than $200 because as at last year that I started the program, I used to make up to 1,000 USD, yes. But now, because I'm not fully active, I just make $200 and above every 2 weeks by doing what I love to do, just by tweeting and making tweets. So I'm just going to give you out the information and everything. So I will start by giving you the requirements on how I make this money every 2 weeks, okay? The criteria for monetization on Twitter is not so hard, as all you need is just your smartphone and you are good to go. Okay, to be eligible on Twitter, you just have to be 18 years and above for you to be able to open a Twitter account and start monetizing your account. So you need to be 18 years and above. The second one is that you must reside in an eligible country. Okay, so Nigeria is already eligible for monetization, so that one is not a problem. You don't have to go by a crook or by some other means. So Nigeria is eligible for monetization on Twitter. Okay, then the third one is that you must have a complete profile, which involves your bio, your profile picture, your cover photo, and your bio. Okay, so but the good thing about Twitter is that you can be anonymous. So if you don't want to show your face, you can just use another person's picture or anything as your cover image, or you can even fake your name. You can use any name to be monetized on Twitter. Okay, so you don't even need to panic about showing your face or people knowing you. You can do whatever you want to do, but just make sure you are 18 years and above. You have a cover photo of anything, you have a profile, a complete bio, and all of that. Again, you must have at least 500 followers before you can be able to monetize your Twitter account. I know you might be wondering how to get 500 followers. It's the easiest to get on that platform because it is not like YouTube that will be very difficult for you to get 1,000 subscribers before you can be able to monetize. No, 500 followers is all that is required, and it is so easy to get. You can even get your 500 followers in 2 days if you follow the tricks that I'm going to share with you, okay? So I'm going to tell you everything on how to get going so fast. And again, you must have 5 million impressions. I know you might be wondering how to get this 5 million impression, and you might be scared at this point, but relax, okay? 5 million impression is not hard to get on Twitter as far as you follow what I'm going to tell you. It is the easiest to get because unlike YouTube that you need 4,000 watch hours, it might take you a year or eternity before you can get your watch hour. No, Twitter, for the 5 million impression, you can get it so easily, okay? So let me give you a trick on how to get your followers. So on Twitter, there is something called mutuals. So when you want to get followers on Twitter, you have to go to your search bar and type game trends. So you see the list of people doing game trends every day. So all you have to do is just to go to the comment section and you see people requesting for followers. Okay, you can get up to 500 followers every week. So once you tell them connect with me, they are going to connect with you back. By the 5th day, you can be able to accumulate 500 followers and above. Okay, so coming to the impression is so easy to get, but you have to be strategic about it. There are 2 ways that you can get impressions so fast. You can get your impressions through the comments you make on other people's posts or your own original post. So if you make comments, you can accumulate impressions through that. It's not like YouTube. This one is so easy. So if you don't want to make posts, you can actually go to other people's comments section and make your own comments, okay? And you will get your own impressions through it. As a newbie, you might be wondering how to go about this because since you are new to the platform, but you have to do this particular thing that I'm going to share with you now. There are groups that are being set up by people who want to earn money on the platform. They call it engagement group. So this group, they set it up just to help themselves get followers or gain comments so that they can be able to monetize their account. So once you join this particular group, the members of the group are going to help you share your content, share your posts, repost, and comment for you so that you can generate ads that can be able to help you monetize your account. All you need to do is just to follow the group rules, follow their instructions, and make your own post so that the members of the group can share your post to the larger audience and you gain impressions easily, okay? And also you can follow up blogs, big accounts that are very popular. So once they make a post, you'll be among the first that will write your own comments under their post so that when other people come to view your comments, you will get impressions easily, okay? This works like magic and you will gather your own impressions. So if you're consistent, you can make at least 1 million impressions a day, or at most in 2 days you get 1 million impressions. So by 1 week you already have your 5 million impressions ready for monetization, okay? So it's very easy as far as you are very consistent and you know what you are doing. So once you're done getting your 5 million impressions, your 500 followers, okay, then the next thing you need to do is to verify your account for a blue check mark, okay? You know what blue tick is? Your blue check mark. According to them, you cannot receive a portion of the ads revenue if you don't have a blue tick, okay? This is one of their criteria, because if you have a blue check mark, it means you are a premium subscriber and you're serious for monetization. So it is not hard to get. For a blue check mark, it costs about 5,000 Nigerian naira or $8 according to your country. So it depends on the country you're subscribing for or how you're subscribing. So 5,000 naira or $8 is not so big for something you're receiving $200 and above for every 2 weeks. And you know, the subscription is just once every month, okay? So you can earn 2 times every month with just 5,000 naira. So easy. So after you've completed all these things, you receive a notification from Twitter that you are now ready to receive a portion of their ads revenue, and all you have to do is just to set up your Strip account that you'll be using to receive money directly to your Nigerian bank account, okay? It is not hard, as all you need to do is just to link your account and you'll be receiving money. You don't have to fear how the money is going to come into your account. It will just land every Tuesday morning to your account, okay? And the most beautiful thing about Twitter is that they pay 2 times every month. So that's every 2 weeks, and we have 4 weeks in a month. You have to receive this money every 2 weeks, okay? Just imagine having like up to $400 every month in your Nigerian account as a side hustle. It is such a huge money, okay? And you know how things are now. You need other side incomes to supplement your major income. So this is all you have to do, and it is very simple. You just have to do what you love doing. And if you're very active, you can make more than that every month. Okay, you can make more than that every 2 weeks. Like me, I'm not usually active as I have other things doing, so I'm not usually active on Twitter, tweeting and commenting on so many things, okay? So but if you are consistent, if you are able to stay consistent, you can make more than that every 2 weeks, and it is so beautiful as a side hustle. Another sweet thing about this is that you can have more than one Twitter account where you make money in all of that. So you can even have up to 3 accounts and make money in different ways, okay? So this is an opportunity for you to make money by just tweeting and having fun. So don't sleep on this very opportunity, as this is an opportunity for you to make money online. So if you watch this to this very point, I know you're going to put this in practice. I'm always here to guide you on how to do all of these things. So if you watch to this very point, what are you waiting for before you subscribe to this channel? Yes, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. Also like this very video, okay, and drop a comment in the comment section, as I'll be sharing with you from time to time on how to make money online, how to monetize your Facebook page, how to grow your account on YouTube, and so many other juicy offers that I'll be sharing with you, okay? So please subscribe to the channel and make sure you share this video to other people so that they can benefit from this very video. If you have any questions that you want to ask, please do so in the comment section and I'll be here to answer them, okay? Thank you for watching and I love you guys. Bye.